Hey colorful people, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making french fried chicken the Jamaican way. So first, for our butter, we're going to need some water and our seasonings. So we're adding Maggi chicken season, black pepper, Maggi all-purpose, and some ketchup powder. So you can add your seasons, the seasons of your choice, to your butter mixture. Then we're going in with our flour. You can sieve the flour if you like. Oh, we're lazy, so we're not gonna do it. So mix out your flour. Make sure all the flour is mixed out. Rub, rub, rub. So the flour is all mixed out and ready for our chicken, our seasoned chicken. So make sure you season your chicken overnight so you have all that good flavor. So we're gonna add our chicken to the batter mixture. And we're gonna leave this to marinate for about half an hour or more, as long as you want. Longer the better. Next, we move on to making our flour mixture, or dry ingredients mixture. So first we add baking powder to our flour, and then we add our seasonings. We're adding black pepper, Maggi chicken season, Maggi all-purpose, and some ketchup powder. Yay, we love using our ketchup powder. So add your dry seasonings to your flour mixture. Get it all spicy. After adding your seasons, get it mixed pretty good. Then mix all the dry ingredients together. So after our chicken has marinated, after it has soaked, we're ready to fry. So we're ready to flour our chicken and get it in the pot. So give it one more good soaking. Make sure it will soak in the mixture. So we're gonna flour our chicken and start frying. You know, say Jamaican cooking, so you know, say outside the thing there. Ready for the frying outside. Check the aisle hot. Ready for your chicken. Make sure you're not cooking under no trees, so all these are not dropping in your pot. These are dropping them, I get fried. So we're adding our chicken and we're waiting for it to be fried. Butter bubble. Bubble, we a bubble. And just like that, our chicken is ready. See how pretty? The best fried chicken you will ever eat using this recipe, of course. Don't forget to like this video. Like the video, please. If you like chicken, like the video, please. Subscribe to my channel, please. And there you have it. French fried chicken the Jamaican way. Ready for the plate. Thank you for watching.